Okay, so it's been a couple days. I should explain what's going on. So this car has about 69,000 miles, and Mazda recommends doing the timing belt and water pump every 60,000. So I was time for a little maintenance spree. So before I do anything, I need to say just thank you to my brother Will. He's the guy who owns the S2000. He's been in a lot of my videos, and I owe this engine running to him. It took me like an entire day just to pull the radiator and the valve cover off. I don't know how long it would have taken me if I was by myself doing the water pump and the timing stuff. It would have been just a complete disaster. So Will, if you're watching this, just thank you again. Yeah, that was really cool of you, and I appreciate that massively. So, the car is actually running. I'm going to basically go through and tidy everything up. A lot of the wiring was just thrown together because we wanted to see if the car would actually start. But yeah, it starts, runs. Pretty sure it's good. We'll see how long it lasts when I turn it on. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start fixing all the wiring, and we'll pull it out and maybe go for a drive. Okay, and to be honest, I can't actually see anything because the lighting's kind of bad, so I'm just gonna roll the car outside. Okay, so engine is all buttoned up. It's looking good. Eventually I'm going to go in and clean a lot of the stuff up, and I'll probably just kind of go through and clean the engine bay. Right now, honestly, I just want to drive the car. I haven't driven it for more than like a week in the last 8 months, so I just kind of want to drive it. Yeah, I'm going to go through, wash the car, and then also I need to clean this entire garage because I kind of destroyed it the last couple of days. There's coolant everywhere. There's just random coolant bottles and water. There's tools just virtually everywhere. So I'm gonna go through, clean that, and yeah, make it look like I wasn't here, because I'm pretty sure my dad hates me. But yeah, so clean the car, clean the garage. guys, that's going to do it for today's video. This one was pretty short. I'm just basically letting you guys know that I am done with the timing belt and water pump, so I don't have anything else to worry about maintenance-wise. Got to change the engine oil, and other than that, the car is pretty good. So, in the next couple weeks, I'm going to be starting mods on this again. Now that I'm able to like safely drive it, I'll be able to have some fun and maybe do some races, and yeah, it's just, I'm really happy that this is finally done. Timing belt and water pump was a huge thing, and I'm just glad that it's done. It's out of the way. Don't have to worry about it again. So yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will be uploading a lot this summer, so stay tuned. There's going to be a lot of stuff being thrown at this car, so I think it's really going to be interesting. Anyway, have a good day, guys, and I'll see you later.